We'll guide you through how to fix a Lenovo laptop that powers and turns on, but the display or screen does not and it remains black. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is an annoying problem because you're then unable to go and use it. You may be concerned thinking that it's broken, but hopefully with the help of this guide, we're going to be able to go and fix it. So hopefully we are. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. What we need to do is we need to try, first of all, is just turning the brightness up. Sometimes you come in this situation where the brightness is turned all the way down. You want to look in the top here, and at the moment, FN log is off. If it's currently lit up like this, tap FN and escape to go and turn it off. Go and find the brightness increase key and tap and hold, and that may go and resolve the problem for you. Often it does go and do that. If it doesn't, don't worry. If that doesn't work, don't worry. The next thing you want to try doing is holding down Shift, Control, Windows key and B together like so. You hear a beep and it should go and refresh, and that may go and solve it if there's been a problem with the graphics. Next, if that still doesn't work, you want to go and find the power button. Now go and tap and hold this, and you want to hold it down for around 5 to 10 seconds till the light goes off. That went off pretty quick. Then what you want to do is go and tap and hold it again for a few seconds. Then you can release, and when you do, the light should light up. Sometimes doing this restart can go and solve it. Hopefully now it's working. If you found this useful, then leave a like.